Hello students, welcome in virtual classroom. Let's facilitate learning. Standard 12th subject English. Students, today we are studying appreciation of the very first poem which is given in our textbook titled as Song of the Open Road, written by Walt Whitman. Students, we already have studied meaning of the poem in English and in Marathi as well in our previous virtual lectures. I have provided the links of the videos in the description box. Do watch these videos for the better understanding of the poem. Now, in this virtual lecture, we are going to study detailed information about the poetic appreciation. Students, please note that at the exam time, you will have to write only 4 points which are given in question paper for appreciation of the poem. Now, before studying appreciation of the poem, let's try to know about the poet in brief. The name of the poet is Walt Whitman, who born on May 31, 1819. Walt Whitman was an American poet, essayist, and journalist. He was often called as father of free verse. He founded newspaper The Long Islander and Brooklyn Daily Eagle. Whitman worked as a freelance journalist. He wrote famous poetry collection Leaves of Grass. Walt Whitman died on March 26, 1892. Now, let's know more about Whitman's poetry collection Leaves of Grass. Leaves of Grass is the famous poetry collection by Walt Whitman. He spent most of his professional life writing and rewriting Leaves of Grass, revising it multiple times until his death. This resulted in vastly different editions over 4 decades. The poems of Leaves of Grass are loosely connected with Whitman's celebration of his philosophy of life and humanity. They praise the nature and the individual human's role in it. Now, students, on the screen in front of you is the question based on appreciation. Let's read it first. Write an appreciation of the poem considering the following points about the poem, poet, and title, then theme, summary, or gist of the poem, poetic style, language, poetic devices used in the poem, special features or novelties or focusing elements, message, values, or morals in the poem, and finally, your opinion about the poem. Students, as I tell you earlier, you will have to write down information of only 4 points which are given in your question paper for the appreciation of the poem. Now, let's see the explanation point wise about the poem, poet, and title. Song of the Open Road is written by an American poet, Walt Whitman, in his work Leaves of Grass. Walt Whitman was an American poet, essayist, and journalist. Whitman is among the most influential poets in the American canon and is often called the father of free verse. This poem presents the carefree attitude of the poet and his enjoyment of the journey on the road. The title, Song of the Open Road, clearly depicts poet's happy mood to travel on the open road of life. The poet wishes to move ahead on the road of life with his own will and goodness. The poem, Song of the Open Road, also indicates freedom and happiness. Next point is theme or summary or gist of the poem. It's about poet's journey of life marked by freedom irrespective of troubles. The road signifies mobility. One can take the road as a point to start over towards something new. It also depicts the importance of freedom. The poet neglects the burdens of life and ready to enjoy the life freely. It is composed in free verse. Apart from parentheses, it also does not follow any stylistic features which restrain its simplicity and composure. The lines are unrhymed and of varying lengths. This poem is an ode to one's self. Whitman separates his poem into four separate stanzas, with the exception of the first stanza, which contains only 3 lines. The other stanzas contain 4 lines of verse. The fourth stanza is physically separated from the rest of the poem by Whitman's use of parentheses. Poetic style, language, and poetic devices used in the poem. As the poet believes in expressing thoughts than hefty diction, he has used simple language marked by clarity. Figures of speech like metaphor, repetition, alliteration, inversion, paradox, and transferred epithet are used effectively. The poem is in free verse and in the form of a monologue. It has an optimistic note. It is an inspirational poem written in the form of narration. The first stanza contains only 3 lines, while the other stanzas contain 4 lines of verse. Message in the poem. The poet does not aim to teach any moral lesson. Instead, he gives a clear message to the readers to enjoy the life to its fullest. We should learn to value every aspect of our life and also have freedom to choose our road of life. Your opinion about the poem. Even though the poem is very short, it is worth readable through the messages or passes over the readers. It also indicates the poet's inner desire to enjoy life to its fullest without bothering about tensions and worries. I like the poem Song of the Open Road for its simplicity and optimistic note. So, thus, students, today we studied appreciation of the very first poem titled as Song of the Open Road, written by Walt Whitman. Now we will meet in the next video with new information. Thank you.